Hello everyone, welcome to my mommy channel. Today I'm gonna show you my hair. First I take the water and I brush my hair like this. I just joking. Now my mommy gonna show you how he does my hair. Enjoy.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to be posting this video. It's been a very long time since I've uploaded. So I'd like to introduce you to my daughter. She's 2 years old and today we're going to show you how we style her hair. So today we're going to style her hair in ponytails or pigtails. So I'm going to part her hair down the middle and then we're going to moisturize. I am starting off with 2-day hair, so her hair is a bit tangled and dry. Normally when I wash her hair, I like to detangle and put it up so that it eliminates the tangles. But since I let it out and free, it did tangle quite a bit. So for this style, we're going to use a brush, hair ties, spray bottle, water, and a moisturizer. I'm going to wet her hair so that it's nice and damp, and then I'm going to apply her moisturizer and lightly detangle. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know if you'd like to see more videos of me styling my daughter's hair. Till the next video, we will see you again. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and we will see you in the next video.